Sonny, why are you fucking a human, dude? Can you stop standing, please? Bruh, what is wrong with you? There you go. Much better.
Teddy, you're supposed to put it on the floor and let it bounce.
Excuse me. What? What are you doing? Are you okay?
How the freak did you get up here? What the heck? Come, nope, you got it. Let's go. Get down, get down.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
I felt like a Spanish, like a Puerto Rican in this hair. I felt Puerto Rican. Y'all know I loves me some Puerto Rican.
You're not going outside again. No. Lay down. Lay down. No.
Does anybody else's dog sit on them like a literal human child? Or is it just mine? She literally comes every time I sit down.
And then she tried to do it again, and I was like, are you dumb? Because that just doesn't make sense. Like, it just wasn't getting through to her.
Stop smiling at me. Stop it. What did you do? Yep. You did it, didn't you?
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.